Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, folks. Velo, a crypto heavyweight in the making. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. So, folks, let's see if Velo can become a crypto heavyweight in the future. Folks, that is possible if the team continues on to deliver and we get positive news in the future, positive developments, positive partnerships, and good regulations, good framework. Look at this, folks. This is April 5th, 2025, and how can we say that it has the potential to become a giant? It is because where it is maneuvering Southeast Asia as well as and Thailand in particular, folks. Cryptocurrency regulations and digital assets in general are moving forward. Look at this. Thailand's cryptocurrency regulation landscape, with a rare combination of financial caution and forward-thinking regulation. Thailand is quietly becoming a crypto heavyweight in Southeast Asia. And if Velo continues on to develop and eventually provides services, use cases, and utility in Southeast Asia, it can also become a crypto heavyweight in the future. Look at this. Since 2018, the country has walked the line between innovation and oversight, implementing clear legal frameworks. And yes, it is true. We've seen certain documents dating back to the day where they have been working on digital assets, how blockchain can transform the future, or how a digital landscape can transform the physical realm as well, fostering the growth of digital assets and protecting investors while not stifling progress. While other jurisdictions, anyways, look at this. Thailand's regulatory philosophy: innovation with caution. So, what is the focus on cryptocurrency? It is on treating it as an investing asset as opposed to a channel of exchange. The Bank of Thailand is firm that crypto can be used to make payments because of volatility and to disrupt the financial system. By the way, folks, this brings me to another crucial point over here. Stablecoins are this is why at this point where this is the volatility phase of these assets, a stable coin and a regulated stable coin. This is why it is really important. And would a token be used to provide other services and other use cases? It is pretty much possible, and it is pretty much why the utility tokens are discussed, that aside from stable coins being utilized in an infrastructure, what will be the role of these other tokens? How can it be utilized aside from stable coins? Because a lot of people have their own theories. If we look at XRP, people say that it is a stable coin that should be fixed at $10,000, or some even say that $50,000. So if we call Velo the XRP of Asia, and why is that? Let me add one more point. A lot of people say that it has to be a higher price for lower fees and lower costs. So depending on who you talk to, some give that argument. And as Velo is called the XRP of Asia, it might be possible that it also needs a high value to be relevant in the long haul. Anyways, look at this evolution of crypto regulation in Thailand. Until 2014, Thailand started developing its crypto regulations when the bot acknowledged the crypto coins at large, but noted that these virtual coins were unregulated, etc. Anyways, we're interested in key milestones over here. 2018, licensing of crypto exchanges and brokers under SEC oversight. 2020, development of the bot's central bank digital currency project. Now this one is huge, and it can, I do not know where the project is at the moment, but folks, in the future, these central banks are exploring CBDCs. They are testing it, they're experimenting it, whether we like it or not. A lot of people have concerns about privacy, and they've got concerns about control, authority, but we never know where the CBDCs are going to be going, but they are becoming a reality, and Velo can play a crucial part in it, folks. Launch of a digital asset regulatory sandbox, removal of caps on investment in asset backed tokens, folks. So there are different regulatory authorities as well that are exploring it. The SEC, different stuff, regulation of use of stablecoins and regulation of payment systems are controlled by BOT. And if the Bank of Thailand eventually goes on and adopts digital assets, it can be huge for Velo and the projects, other projects that want to do something in Thailand and other places. Look at this. In Thailand, CBDC and blockchain push. In 2018, the project Inthenon was conducted, examining interbank settlements, testing retail CBDC use. 2022 to 2023, project Bank Hoon Prom. Cross-border CBDC payments with Hong Kong, China, and UAE. Imagine the possibilities over here, folks. If Velo achieves something in Thailand, and we've got these other countries as well that have a sort of trade relation with Thailand, how Velo can provide use cases uh, in that infrastructure as well, folks. So all in all, folks, we know now that there is growing adoption of cryptocurrency in Thailand. 47% of crypto aware individuals reportedly own digital assets. So the demand is there, folks. This is all we need to understand. Blockchain is gaining adoption in the financial institutions as well. So this is why Velo is relevant, and this is why Velo is trying to establish strategic partnerships with industry innovators as well. Let's see what's happening with Velo while we're speaking in real time. I just noticed Velo Stripe is integrated with Velo protocols, Light Bot. By the way, folks, one more thing, we cover both the good side and the bad side. We've got certain posts over here that are a bit pessimistic about Velo. I'm going to be showing you that post as well in a moment. Payment method, connect your payment method. Awesome. Look at this. If Trump continues this trade war, a good bounce would be at 0.007 for Velo. More USDT will be deployed on my Velo position. I can't believe people are getting cheap price in 2025. Look at this. Some crucial support levels for sure. A lot of you might be wondering if we had sold over here, and then we could have bought a huge bag over here as well. This is always the thought process that goes to people's mind, but we never know, folks. If we had sold here, it would have gotten up much more further, and then we would have said that why did we sell it, and a lot of different stuff. So we never know with these assets, folks. I know that a lot of technicals are correct a lot of time, a lot of fundamentals tend to favor someone, but we never ever know for sure. We just need to be researching and giving our best shot. This is Refall. Binance is accumulating Velo at an impressive pace. Meanwhile, others are lamenting the dip and selling at a loss. Velo will be listed on Binance. It is unknown when, but will happen. You still accumulating. So, folks, for the investors' sake, let's hope that Binance is indeed accumulating. But folks, I'm not as much interested in these exchanges buying these tokens. Yeah, it is good. It is good. Obviously, they might know that something that we do not know. But folks, I'm much more interested in utility driving the prices up organically. If Velo tokens are utilized in the infrastructure, an infrastructure that is used by the institutions and financial organizations, then we are good to go anyways, folks. Thingol, again, always active about Velo. King, VLab, Lightnat uses Velo, sister company. What, by the way, uses Velo. This is the keyword over here. This is what we all want. We want institutions and other financial organizations, or even the Velo infrastructure itself, to make use of Velo. One of the 5 applicants seeking a digital banking license within Thailand have today announced the signing of a memorandum of understanding with Royal Thailand Police's Central Investigation Bureau. Now we're seeing different departments being involved, folks. Different departments being involved in the licensing procedures, banking licenses, and everything in Thailand. As we talked at the start of the video, that Thailand is sort of trying to become that hub for digital assets as well. There was a title over here as well about just a moment. Yeah, I do not know where that is, that Thailand trying to become the hub. So yeah, anyways, this may not directly relate to Velo, however, it is another example of great strength and trust between Velo's sister company, Lightnet. You're as good as the friends that you make, that sort of stuff, folks. So the sister company, Lightnet, and their partner, VBank, to be chosen by a public body within Thailand. This is huge, folks. Regardless, the association is good. It is there to fight fraud and other criminal financial activity. As you can see over here, we're excited to announce the signing of a memorandum of understanding with the Royal Thailand Police Central Investigation Bureau to collectively combat financial crime. Awesome. Look at this. VLab, fraud detection, financial crime. Okay, this is awesome. Let me repost this as well. Let me like it. Okay. Look at this. This is Javon Marks. Next up can be a heavy bullish turn. So I think this is a bit of technical over here as well. Okay, just a moment. Yeah. Combining Velo's trend in price action with its MACD action, prices look right on the verge of yet another recovery. Okay, and wave up after confirming that similar MACD divergence. Previously, after confirming this divergence, prices dipped before turning heavily to the upside, and they took to be going through a similar situation here. Next up can be a heavy bullish turn, which can feature a nearly 300% increase, folks. So that can be really great. For Velo, technicals usually precede news and major fundamental releases. So seeing these indications and action, the team Velo protocol is working and can be getting ready to deliver even more so. Folks, this is a bold take over here that technicals precede news. This oftentimes is true because whenever a price dips down, there is some sort of fundamental bad news or anything like that. But when it really comes down over here, we get some positive news in the market as well, and the technicals seem to precede that because you already know that it is really oversold. You can see it in the chart. There are support levels that, yeah, now people are getting exhausted. They are tired of selling and a lot of different stuff. By the way, this is April 8th, so kind of latest. Chart nerd over here says Stripe integration, subscription payments for light air trading, OTS. Implementing subscription payments for light air trading bots. By the way, folks, when I talked about the negative news, I'm going to be sharing that post in a moment. First, let's see this. This is Velo. Step 1, integrating Stripe for subscription. Set up Stripe billing. Utilize Stripe's billing product to manage recurring subscription payments. Number 2, implement subscription management endpoints. Develop endpoints for creating subscriptions, updating payment methods, and handling subscription renewals. Anyways, just a moment. Yeah, this was a post a bit negative, so we share both sides of the stories. Look at this. Stupid moon boys are just seeing updates from months ago. Since this Velo team hasn't been developing for months, they keep posting old posts. Don't follow stupid moon boys. How much do you pay them for these stupid posts? I just noticed Stripe is integrated with Velo protocol's Lightyear bot. First and foremost, folks, we've got good partnerships going on for Velo. We've got Jed McCaleb as an advisor, so the fundamentals are there. But I will, we shouldn't be, the Velo team shouldn't be giving opportunity to people to speak or talk negative. So they should be posting a bit more about developments or the partnerships that they want to conduct. So I'll give Mr. Macbeth this, at least, that Velo should try to be much more active, folks, because the fundamentals are there. Look at this. A must read: Taiwan corridors, Uni President Micon 711, Velo. So we're trying to connect the dots. There are dots over here, there are dots everywhere. But Velo needs to be a bit more active in the news front. Back in 2021, Velo partnered with MyCoin, one of Taiwan's premier digital assets brokerage. The aim was for Velo's FCX to be improved upon alongside the MyCoin infrastructure. MyCoin offers fiat cryptocurrency on ramps at over 8,200 7-Eleven stores. So the Taiwanese users can purchase cryptocurrency at the 7-Eleven stores. So what does this mean, folks? That it primarily enables the pair to tap into Taiwan's 7-Eleven network to extend its reach, offering a bridge between traditional fiat transactions and Velo's digital credit system. Talking about fundamentals, folks. So, what do you guys think about Velo? Do you think that it has the potential to make it huge, folks? And do you think that it can provide value to the Thai market and Southeast Asia and the globe? Ultimately, I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.